So Action Coach has allowed me to get my personal life back and to achieve all I want to achieve from a professional point of view. Prior to working with Action Coach, we worked extremely long hours. It was non-stop. The laptop was on the dining room table consistently. It took over my entire life. I took my laptop away when I got married. There wasn't a day that I didn't work. So it impacted on family life. It impacted on kind of our time with the kids. And what we've done as a family. Ultimately, it was about opening our eyes up to the potential that we had, to work with somebody that could help us, support us do that. It's all about how much time you put in with Dave and Action Coach to kind of what you get out. Certainly within the first few months you could see things changing, you could see things happening, but it was always going to take some time to kind of really see the financial benefits, which we're now doing, and certainly structurally as well. But from a personal point of view as well, again within months there was a mindset change, be it my parents, be it my wife, be it my kids. There was lots of different instances where people could see a change. So they could see a change in the way of my thinking, the team's thinking, and certainly from where the business was going as well. So it's fantastic. So our turnover has increased by 54%, our gross profit by 92%, and our net profit has increased by 51%. That's largely because we've invested back into the business. We've increased staff numbers by 33%. We've spent a significant amount of money moving offices. It's been great. We wouldn't have been able to move otherwise. So weekends are my weekends now. Our holidays are our holidays. So there's still a huge desire to achieve and to kind of continue to grow and do well. The family are on board with that now, whereas before they almost saw kind of work as a hindrance, which it doesn't have to be. We wouldn't be here today. It's as simple as that, especially with COVID. And that's undoubtedly down to Dave and like I said, the Action Coach team. Don't be afraid to open up your mind to giving coaching a go. I was dead against it, and I'm completely supportive of it now. So give it a go.